Okay, well, hi everyone, this is Jibril from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, I'm gonna let you know that mistakes are my friend. Oh, what I'm saying, don't worry about mistake. Continue learning English, practice your English every single day, notice your mistake, try to correct your mistake. And because if you every time stop and be worried about your mistake, you are gonna not improve your English, because you are so too much worried about your mistake. Instead of be worried about your mistake, check what you do as well as you can. Check your progress, what things you can't do in few months but now you can do, how many vocabularies you can use in the phrases now, can you understand having conversation with other people, can you read stuff and understand, listening to audio podcasts or watch some videos and you can understand that. That's all. The mistake is a few things like that. Don't worry about them. Continue. Everyone make mistake, even native English speakers, teachers, everyone. That's you. As a human being, you make a mistake every single day. Don't worry about those mistakes. Continue learn English and notice, correct your mistake in the time.